Well, you
sweaty.
can look at me, so you're not
thank you.
at the camera. I'm going to break it down for you, okay? So the first question we'd like to know is your reasons for joining.
Yeah, so I used to be really fit, and then I moved out here and I couldn't find a gym that I really liked. And I was kind of ticking over, but not enjoying it. And then I had multiple bereavements in 4 years, and my exercise went to nothing. And I became a workaholic. I was really unwell, and my body was in a lot of pain, and I was just trying to survive. So as I made massive changes to my life, because I was working too much, wasn't a well person, and part of my massive changes was finding a new gym. But it took me ages, well it seemed to take me ages to find the right gym, but then one day, Sunday, I just Googled, this place came up. I looked on your website, I read the testimonials. I liked the sound of it because there was a big focus on community and everyone working together, which is what I really missed. And I contacted, I think it was Sean. I came the next day for the free week, and then I knew straight away. I mean, I was still nervous and everything, but I did know, I was like, this is more my kind of place. So, yeah.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Great stuff. So second question is, how come you're always bloody late? No, second question.
I have many reasons.
Oh, I'm joking.
Sometimes I'm on time.
How's it been so far, like, and some of your achievements?
Oh, I love it. I really love it. Everyone's really friendly. Everybody is welcoming and supportive, and there are a lot of really inspirational people here. There are people who are super fit here, but they don't make you feel crap because you're not at the same starting point. And there are people younger doing amazing things, people older doing amazing things, and everybody pushes you, but not so hard that you don't enjoy it. I think that's, what was the question?
Yeah, that's it, mate. That's wonderful. Yeah, and then so just finally, I know actually some of the things you've achieved personally.
Yeah, so I'm, well, emotionally and mentally, I feel like I'm finding my way back to the person that I was, because I used to be a real risk taker, and I used to be like, have a go at everything, and that all changed for me, and I became very I made my world quite small, and now I feel like I'm finding who I was before. So that's, mindset wise. Physically, I think everything else follows when you've got the right mindset. So I'm stronger, I'm lifting heavier weights than I did when I went to the gym 6 times a week and had a personal trainer. I started running again, which I never thought I'd be able to do. And I did nuclear fit.
That's right.
And I finished.
That's right, mate.
So yeah,
Fantastic.
so all those things, but there's more to come. That's what I feel.
Absolutely.
Because my mind's in the right place now.
Perfect. So then just finally, what would you say to someone thinking about joining?
Oh, as soon as you step through the door, you'll feel okay. Like if you're nervous about joining a gym, especially when it feels like everybody knows each other really well. Like I haven't been here that long, but everybody will encourage you and embrace you. So, the first week can be a little bit, everyone seems to know each other, but, people will take care of you. That's what I'd say, just do it.
Thank you, mate. That's perfect.
Okay.